Izrasiefritz, Jantin, Anak. I'm from course BEA section 1/2. From what I understand about last week talk about semiconductor process. Semiconductor process consists of 4 processes. The first process is product design process. Second is front end process. The third is back end process, and the last is board assembly process. For the first process is product design process, where the circuit is being designed and it requires VLSI. VLSI is very large scale integrated knowledge. VLSI also is a process of combining a transistor into a single chip.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Izzuddin Amirull bin Mohamad. I'm from BEA 1/2. Today I want to present about semiconductor process. Firstly, I will present about front end or wafer fabrication process. That has 3 types of process. Firstly, material fabrication, and secondly, wafer bank, and third and lastly is wafer fabrication. That has 5 steps in the total process in the wafer. Firstly process is lower metal deposition, and secondly process is lower metal patterning. Thirdly is interlayer insulator deposition. Fourth through hole fabrication, and lastly upper metal fabrication. For another part is wafer testing process. Wafer testing process is the process to testing and the functionality of every dust in wafer. The testing will sort each dust into a different bin according to the testing result. If a good, the wafer dust will sort into bin number 1. If a parametric fail, the wafer dust will sort into bin number 8. And lastly, if overall fail, the wafer dust will sort into bin number 5 or 6. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Izzuddin bin Mohamad Idrus, and I'm from BEA 1/2, and I want to continue to the back end process, but I will explain only half of it. The first is the wafer mount process, which is the wafer is mounted with a mylar tag to give support, and then to the wafer sort and wash process, which is to cut the remaining die on the mylar tape, and then the remaining of it is washed to remove silicon debris. And then I continue to the die bond process, which is to give support to die and electrical connection. The next process is the wire bond process, which is to give cold wire interconnection between the die pad and the lead frame. And next is the last process of it, which is the first half of the process, which is the mold process, to protect the device mechanically and environmentally. That's all for me.
Okay, I will continue for the next progress. Is a trim and form solution. This process is where individual lead of the laying thread are separated from the laying thread. For the manual trim process, lead are cut and form mechanically to the specific shape, which are the one punch or single punch. For the auto form, individual unit are segregate from the lead frame strip through the progressive trim. This is for the progress that the trim and they get the dimension. The quality control for this is lead dimension. For the next process is the electrical test. Electrical test is ensure the unit are meeting electrical specific before the shipping after the assembly process. So this is like we want the stock is in T16 or NT16 and X16. So they must test before the marking process. For this is the last process before the marking. For the quality control is bin soft check and correlation test. For the next is mark. Mark is is a process that corporate the end product in identification on package device. Marking allow for the package differentiation. Laser method is used for the marking package. Only a good unit mark after test. This is process that after the electrical test and for the after the all test is the product is good, so then we can mark. If not, it return to the next our first process back. For the quality control is marking verification, and next tape and reel final packaging or product period shipping to customer. For the quality control is field force check.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mustaqim and I am from 1/2 BEA, and I will talk about board assembly or final process in semiconductor process flow, which is I will talk about mark and then tape and reel. So for the mark, as we know, after the semiconductor have been fabricated until get the end product, which is after the end product come out, the product is not marked. So the quality control will check the quality of the product and the spec of the product. If it is good condition, they will separate the good condition and not good condition product, and then only the good product will be marked. Alright, they will be marked using laser, which is laser will mark on the top of the product, such as BJT and 123 watt, that's whatever. Okay, that's for marking. After they mark the semiconductor or product, we will go to assembly or packaging phase, which is for the big semiconductor, they will packaging using tape and reel. For the small product, so tiny chip, they will put in a jar and it will be sold by kilo. Alright, that's all from me.